Once upon a time, education was synonymous with chalk dust and blackboards. Fast forward to today, and education has transcended physical boundaries. Welcome to the digital classroom. With a few taps, endless knowledge is now at our fingertips. Digital tools provide personalized learning experiences like never before. From virtual field trips to interactive coding lessons, digital classrooms offer a world of opportunities beyond traditional textbooks. Teachers are now facilitators of innovation, crafting lessons that captivate and inspire students globally, all with a simple internet connection. Digital classrooms have fostered a sense of global community, enabling collaboration among students from diverse backgrounds. As we embrace this digital revolution, education becomes more accessible, inclusive, and adaptable to the needs of every learner. From chalkboards to keyboards, education's evolution is paving the way for a brighter, more connected future. So, plug in and power up. The classroom is now everywhere you are.